So guys, today restaurant is called Kerala and it's a South Indian restaurant in Munich, Germany, and we are here to take our biryani for this week. Okay guys, just reached home. I'm so excited. Here I have the parcel for this time restaurant, and this restaurant is called Kerala. So it's a South Indian restaurant in Munich, and I'm very excited to share with you what we have. So it's basic. We have here papadum. So they are papadum. And the biryani. Biryani. See, oh my god, the biryani is here. And now, let us reveal this. Oh, the packing is good. Oh, this looks lovely, lovely this week. Oh my god. Sorry, I brought it like this, but this looks nice. Oh, the smell is very good. The smell of the mint is coming straight away because it has mint. So, guys, the packing is very nicely done. Okay, so this is the biryani. Now I will take picture for my Instagram, and all the details of this restaurant will be in my Instagram. I will share the link, so please watch. Go to my Instagram account and watch all the episode of biryani. And this episode also, I'll write all the details in my Instagram account. Okay, let me take a picture and then I'll show you. Okay guys, now let's start with the points. So I have paid around 15.90 for this chicken Hyderabadi biryani. So this biryani is with Hyderabad chicken biryani. And what we get with this is, we have one curry sauce, raita and papadum. And this biryani. So for 15.90. Now we start weighing this. So let me put this on, and we start 0. So now we put the biryani. This is around 650 grams. So 648 grams of biryani. So more probably 650 grams of biryani. So for 15.90 with this, I'll give around 3.5. So you have one rice and this also, so 3.5. Now, okay, so now we'll grab Guys, before giving the review, I would like to say you that this is not a restaurant review. This is only my personal view of the dish, biryani. So please, this is not my any restaurant review. It's only the biryani, and this is my personal reviews. Thank you. So we'll check how many chicken pieces we have here. Let me see. That's 1, 2, 3. There's chicken breast. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 pieces of chicken breast in the biryani. It's good, not bad. Now we see the flavor of the rice. It is cooked in masala sauce, I think, biryani sauce. It has mint and coriander, you know. So if you don't want mint or coriander, you can ask them to skip this. The flavor is mild. It's a mild flavor. So I'll give a decent 3.5 for this flavor. No, it's not so spicy, so it's not too much spice in this. It's a mild one. Now see the meat. It's chicken breast normally. A little bit dry. It's dry as meat. It's really dry. So I'll give 3 for this. No, 4 overall. Let's try the curry sauce. So let's see what is curry sauce we have. It's an onion curry sauce, so it's based with onion. Yeah, it's onion sauce, so it's basic curry. Let's try the raita. It's good. They don't use any color in this. This is very good. Yeah, it's good. The raita is good. Let's see the papad. So, good. The papad is fried. It's good fried. So, overall, for this price and for experience, I'll give around 3.5 for this restaurant, the taste. So we have 3.5 for this Kerala. So you can see. And let me finish this. So, and then I'll give all the details in my Instagram. Please follow my Instagram. I'll share you the link also. And I hope I made your Sunday tastier, and we'll see each other with the next week and to a new restaurant in search for the best biryani in Germany. And please comment, your favorite restaurant. Just tell me to go and visit. I love to do that. and subscribe to my channel. That will help me because this is a non-sponsored channel, so I'm paying everything on my own. And please, I just need your support, and please support me, and thank you very much, and see you next week. Bye bye.